This is the GE Artistry Series of appliances. Very classic design, kind of, to me, reminiscent of the old school refrigerators and ovens of the 50s. Very simple, clean design, nothing fancy, but yet pretty good looking units. Refrigerator, that's pretty nice. Storage capacity here. You got the adjustments up here for the freezer and refrigerator. I have noticed if you turn the refrigerator up past 6, that, as you can see, things in here will begin to freeze. I think it's 0 to 9. 0 is off, 9 is the coldest. So freezer got set on 8, which if we set below that, the ice cream seemed to get really soft. Anyway, you got pretty simple there. You got 2 shelves down there. Got some nice wide shelf for the milk jug and stuff over here. Pretty standard stuff. And at the bottom, it's got a pretty simple freezer. Decent storage area. Got an ice maker, which produces a fair amount of ice, but also I've noticed has a tendency to fall down behind this bottom, which makes it eventually get to the point where you can't get that shelf back in there. One complaint I've had about the refrigerator. Other than that, doing fine. Electric stove on the top. There's no controls. It's like most of the stoves now have. There's all kinds of stuff up here. All it's got is a clock, timer. The controls are on the front. Very simple, easy to use. The oven is right there. You got indicator lights to let you know when the oven is heating, and you got a hot cooktop indicator, and one to let you know when the burner's on. Got the oven light over here. Really simple. A couple racks in there. Very classic design. Good looking. But simple. You got a little storage area down here. Microwave. Nothing fancy here, but it fits in very well with the other appliances. It does have the turntable in there. Nice looking handle and everything, matches everything else. There's controls right there. Pretty standard stuff. And going over here to, fits in nice with this farmhouse sink they got here. To the dishwasher, which I've liked so far. I do like that the controls are accessible here. A lot of the top mount controls now you can't even get to once it's closed. I like that you can see it, and everything's right up here. And it's got a little indicator to let you know when it's open, or if it's not shut good and try to start it, it'll give you a little alarm there also. Pretty standard design here. It does have a definite close there. That latch, unlike some of the dishwashers that are out there now that have the soft close, I can never tell if it's actually closed or not, and half the time it ends up leaking with this